Your live Doppler 18 forecast with meteorologist Chad Evans. Certified by the National Weather Association. Weather from where you live.
It is a clear, cool night tonight. All is fine in our viewing area, but here's the next storm system. Now in the Rockies, this will translate into the plains, and this is what will bring showers and storms as we get towards Friday. And the details with that are becoming more apparent tonight, and we'll talk about that here very shortly. Temperatures are falling quickly tonight. It's 40 already at Winamac, 41 Rensselaer, 43 Monticello, 46 here at the station, and 46 at Kokomo, 42 Burlington, and we're headed for lows in the 30s with patchy frost, perhaps a few patches of light fog with a calm wind in the morning, 64 noon, 71 by 5 o'clock, winds west-southwest up to 15 miles per hour. All right, a roller coaster of a temperature forecast. We're going to go from chilly with frost to 70s again, storms, and then back to a very chilly Saturday, and then rain and storms and warmer weather next week. Showers and storms are in the forecast on Friday. Potential exists for at least some severe weather. And then after a frost and a freeze, a big warm-up appears to be evolving later next week. Tonight, though, cooler. A light freeze from Logansport, Peru, Bunker Hill down to Greentown and up towards Winamac, Wheatfield, and DeMont. 34 here in Lafayette, 35 Attica and Pence, and about 35 down at Crawfordsville with those areas of frost around. And for tomorrow, again, sunshine mixed with some high-thin cirrus clouds. Again, winds west-southwest. 68 Winamac, 66 though Rochester, upper 60s Burlington, upper 60s to right around 70 Remington, Monticello down to Frankfort, 71 in Lafayette, and the warm spot 72 at Perrysville, Covington, and Vedersburg. All right, the next system I am tracking, though, this is Thursday, partly cloudy, breezy, 74, but severe weather will be blowing up to the west. Now, this will weaken Thursday night, it appears, and whatever is left of that will pass through around midday or early afternoon on Friday as a little band of rain. Then once that passes through, we may get a little bit of sunshine. I think actually some new storms may bubble up here in western and central Illinois, and those could really bubble up, start to produce some hail, and head our way by early evening, late afternoon, early evening. But the main factor with this is, are we going to get enough sun, enough heating and instability for those to form? That still waits to be seen, but again, we're going to keep an eye on that. So we are going to have that severe weather threat, Lafayette southward, again later on Friday. 45, that is it on Saturday. Windy, showery, cold, gray, but then we're in the 50s Sunday and Monday, and a warm front will lift north and kind of stall near our area mid and later next week. That means a lot of rain, perhaps some severe weather flirting with us, and warmer temperatures warming up into the 70s. Now, there's your forecast. Again, we're fine tomorrow, we're fine Thursday, but Friday, again, we've got the wave of rain and a few thunderstorms near midday. Then a break, we'll get a little sun, and then we got to watch any storms in the early evening, and those could have some hail with them. So we're going to have a severe weather threat that may start to evolve at that point, mainly Lafayette southward, and then it's colder. In fact, 2 nights below freezing, Nicole, 30 and 28 respectively over the weekend, before it warms up a little bit next week. And next week is looking just rainy and pretty stormy around here. So it's an active pattern, and boy, the temperatures are all over the place, so hang in there.
Is this the last bit of freezing we're going to see at night, or more to come?
We'll probably have a few more frosts, but on average, usually around April 20th, we have our last freeze. So this is pretty close to that.
Okay, thanks, Chad.
Okay.
Mike Leff is in the Sports Center with us.